So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As it's turning on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. Then you want to quickly turn it off again and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times, it will then take you into this screen. If it says that your PC did not start correctly, you want to click on Advanced Options. And then once we're here, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. If you do not see Command Prompt, you want to click on SIEM Recovery Options, and then it should appear right here. So you want to click on Command Prompt, and now once we're here, we're going to type in some commands. If you see any errors on my screen, just ignore it. Just type in every single command I'm going to show you. So for the first command, we're going to type in bootrec /fix mbr. Click on enter. Now we're going to type in bootrec /fix boot. Click on enter again. Now we're going to type in bcd edit /export C:\bcd backup. Click on enter. And now we're going to type in attrib C:\boot /bcd -h -r -s. Click on enter. And now we're going to type in ren C:\boot /bcd bcd.old. Click on enter. And now we're going to type in bootrec /rebuild bcd. Click on enter. Wait for this to load. And now we're going to type in Y. Click on enter again. Now we're just going to close out of Command Prompt. And then you want to continue to Windows and then the problem should be fixed.